Okay, besties, welcome back. Grab your iced coffee, grab your cute notebook. Let's get into part 3. Because listen, buying land is one thing, but protecting it so your kids' kids can still claim it, that's the real power move. So boom, once you buy land, the biggest mistake people make is putting it only in their personal name. I know it seems simple, but that's how a lot of land gets lost when people pass away, fall behind on taxes, or family starts arguing. Instead, we're doing LLCs, trusts, and family agreements. This is the grown woman ownership era, not the I'll figure it out later era. Now hear me out. Putting your land under an LLC can help protect it from liability. If somebody tries to come for it, they got to go through the business, not you. That's protection and strategy. But if we're talking legacy, like long-term family ownership, a land trust is where the ancestors sing. Because a trust literally says, this land stays in the family. It cannot be sold without agreement. That's how wealthy families keep the same properties for 100 plus years. And girl, communication matters. If you buy land with friends or siblings, write the expectations down, not in a group chat, in an operating agreement. Who pays taxes? Who maintains the property? If someone wants out, how do they exit without chaos? We're avoiding Thanksgiving drama, okay? Also, keep the property taxes paid. I don't care if it's $40 a year. Put that thing on autopay. Some families lost land simply because nobody knew taxes were due. We're not letting the county come in and be sneaky. And here's the emotional part. When you own land, you're not just buying dirt. You're buying stability. You're buying roots. You're saying, my family will never be displaced again. That hits deeper than aesthetics. This is soft life where the foundation is peace, not pressure. All right, bestie, so let's break it down. Protecting your land is literally as important as buying it. You can have acres, lots, or a tiny plot, but if it isn't secured legally, it could disappear faster than a cute bag on sale. And historically, this has happened to so many Black families because no one taught us the system. Okay, so some of you might have heard of heirs property. Basically, if someone dies without a will, the land can automatically be split between all heirs. And girl, that's how families lose control. Suddenly, you have multiple owners, disputes, and the county can swoop in. Not cute, not legacy building, not soft life energy. Best advice, have a legal will. Even if it's 1 acre, 1 small lot, put it in writing who inherits it. Lawyers are not the enemy here. They're your guides to making sure your land stays in your bloodline. And the beauty is, it doesn't have to be expensive if you do your research and plan smart. Now let's talk about land trusts, because this is where things get juicy. Trusts basically allow your land to be owned by a legal entity on behalf of you or your heirs. This means nobody can sell or divide it without your rules. It's literally a shield against losing what you've worked for. That's power energy, sis. And for those who want to get strategic, LLCs are another move. You create a company that owns the land, and that protects you from legal issues. If someone tries to sue over the land, it doesn't hit your personal assets. It's adulting, it's smart, and honestly, it just feels powerful to have your name behind something like this. Girl, we also got to talk communication. You can't just buy land and hope everyone's on the same page. Write down agreements, expectations, who pays taxes, maintenance, exit plans, and yes, do this before any disagreements happen. Trust me, a clear plan saves years of drama. Speaking of taxes, pay them on time, every time. Some families lose land because a few dollars in property taxes went unpaid. Don't let the county steal your inheritance for something that's preventable. Autopay is your best friend. And bestie, let's be real. Owning land is not just financial. It's emotional. It's ancestral. It's saying to the universe, my family will have roots, stability, and freedom. Even a tiny lot is a statement. You are rewriting history with each deed you sign. This isn't about you. It's about the kids, the nieces, nephews, grandkids. When your land is protected, it becomes a generational asset. You're literally building wealth that can't be taken by anyone outside your family. That's grown woman energy, soft life energy, and ancestor approved energy all in one. And girl, social media and communities are helping us now. There are Facebook groups, TikTok tips, and YouTube channels dedicated to Black land ownership, heir property solutions, and collective buying strategies. We're literally learning from each other in real time. It's like a secret society, except everyone's invited, so don't wait, bestie. Even if you start researching today, you are already steps ahead. Call your county, read about trusts, learn about LLCs, and start making a plan. Don't let fear or lack of knowledge stop you. This is your time, your bloodline's time, your legacy. Even 1 acre is a revolution. Also, bestie, don't sleep on local zoning and land laws. Some land might look perfect, but there could be restrictions, like you can't build a house or it's only for agricultural use. Staying informed protects your investment and avoids surprises later. Knowledge is power, and you're not just buying land. You're learning the system so your family can thrive. And let's get real about finances. Owning land isn't just the purchase price. You've got taxes, maintenance, insurance, and sometimes HOA fees. Planning for these costs now keeps your land safe and stress-free later. Even setting aside a small monthly fund can make a huge difference. It's grown woman energy, thinking ahead and staying prepared. Finally, don't forget to celebrate your milestones. Even if it's 1 acre, 1 small lot, or just securing your first deed, that's a win. You're breaking cycles, building legacy, and creating generational wealth. Share it with your girls, journal it, or even post it if you want. Every step counts. Small wins lead to huge victories, and your ancestors are cheering you on. All right, bestie, that's part 3. Remember, owning land is powerful, but protecting it is everything. Take your time, make your plan, and secure your legacy. Like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss part 4, where we're talking about how to turn your land into income. And don't forget to check my beauty shop, because we're building wealth and staying cute doing it. Okay, girl, we just dropped so much tea about protecting land, right? Save this video, grab your iced coffee, and come back for part 4. And don't forget to shop my beauty goodies, press-ons, lip gloss, all your soft life essentials. Before you go, I just want to say, every step you take toward protecting your land is a step toward rewriting your family story. Your kids, your nieces, your nephews will thank you one day. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss part 4. And check my beauty shop at Because Legacy and Self-Care go hand in hand. All right, bestie, that's it for part 3. Protecting your land is key. Even 1 acre can change everything for your family. Don't wait, start your plan, and stay consistent. Subscribe so you don't miss the next video, and shop my beauty line in the description. Soft Life, Smart Life, period.
Through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been alright for me. Kingdoms that fall